This is Sophie. She's a filmmaker. In fact, Sophie is directing this production. And she's filming in Valencia because it is guaranteed success. Why? Sophie knows Valencia has an industry of great professionals who will take her production to the next level. And yes, that's the shirt you asked for, Sophie. Also, if I'm not mistaken, in the casting department, everything is just as she wanted. Yes, exactly. Even that which doesn't exist, we created here. Hi, Sophie. She knows she can count on even the smallest of details, even the water bottles, which Sophie prefers to be reusable. She knows the shooting schedule won't suffer any setbacks because there's always good weather, and every single scene will be as planned in her storyboard. She knows she can bring her usual team over without too much expense. She knows there are studios like this one she can rely on. Not bad, eh? Moreover, if you add a 30% national tax incentive and a 25% regional production grant, Sophie's ready to shoot in every magical corner of Valencia. It's as simple as if the entire shoot was reduced to a single traveling shot. Camera, set, action.